Hello everyone, this is Gary Tonicourt from MoreThanASnapshot.com. Today I wanted to talk to you about a design product that is an easy and simple and inexpensive way to make your own logo. I know most of you are probably photographers, you probably have started or are starting a business, and you probably need to have a nice, simple, clean logo. So I'm going to take you into this service. I'll show you a little bit about how it works, and then I'll explain the price to you. The name of this product is called DesignEvo.com, and it gives you nice simple templates for making effective clean logos. Just to be upfront about this, I am not being paid for this review, but they did send me a coupon code to try out the product, and I will put an affiliate link down below. So if you decide you like the way it looks, you may want to check it out for yourself. Alright, so let's head into the software and see how it works. Okay, once you create an account at DesignEvo.com, you'll see that there are some logo templates that you can start to adjust. So let's say that we're interested in photography. I'll put in photographer. And then here's some pre-made logos that come up. And they give you quite a few choices. And I'm just going to pick one that I like to get started. And then you put in the name of your business. So I'll put in more than a snapshot.com. Or I'll just put in more than a snapshot. And I'll put in a slogan from snapshots to great shots. And we'll hit get started. Okay, so right away you can see we have some options here. Number one, it's not fitting in this space very well, so I'm going to rearrange the elements a little bit. So first I'm going to click on this text layer and see if I can scale it down. And then you'll notice there are little grid lines that will help you to snap it in place so that it'll align with the rest of the text. So I'll have to adjust this one. Alright, so that looks like it's all lined up. So, I mean, that's pretty good just with that. But what you can do after that is begin to customize it any way you want. So when you click on this, you can see that the colors for this are showing. And you can click on the individual pieces. Let's say I don't want it to be that color. Maybe I want the background to be black. So now the background is black. And this color, try red instead of orange. I don't like that color red. Or maybe blue. I think a deeper red. Oops. Just move this, but you can move it right back. Alright, just play around with this until I get a color that I like. Solid colors. I wish there were more color choices, color gradients. So maybe we can go, yeah, here we go. We can get more color gradients here. Oh, I think that's part red and green. So I did something wrong. Oh, maybe I have to slide this slider over. So I get only red. There it is. Alright, that's a bit brighter red. You can also use the arrow keys if the mouse is not letting you adjust it perfectly enough. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm trying out the arrow keys to align it just the way I want. Alright, I think that looks pretty good. And, you know, in just a few minutes I have something here that's usable. If I don't like the font, I can click on the font and try out something different. And here there's all kinds of different fonts to go through. And there's different categories of fonts here. Handwriting. I think I like the modern look better, so I'm going to go back to the Modern Sans. That one will do. I think this one could use something a little different, though. That stands out. Alright, so I think I have something I like. And you don't have to accept what you're given here. You can save as many of these as you want and then choose later. So you can save it to the cloud or you can preview it. For right now I'm going to save it. And then if I want to preview what it looks like, here I can see the logo in different situations, and I think it looks good on the white. On the black, obviously there's a little bit of a problem because it just sort of blends in. Everything is black, so it wouldn't be good for that. But on white, I really kind of like it. You can see it here in different situations. Yeah, so that's pretty cool that you can get an idea of what it looks like through that little preview. Now, other things that you could have done, over here on the side we have icons. So let's say I want computers. You can pick any of these and put them on, and you can change the color of it at any time. And so there's plenty of options here. You can also choose, of course, text, which we did on this one. You could put in shapes, different decorations, lines, outlines, and so on. And then backgrounds. You've got transparent background, which is what I'm using now, or you could put a solid color or a gradient color. All right, so you do have quite a few options to play around with this. Now, when you're all done, you can save a bunch of these things and pick one that you like, and then when you click download, you can see here they offer you a discount and they offer you your choices. Now, there is a free program, and you get just the low resolution file. You get the PNG. The problem with this is you get the PNG with a background. In other words, the background's not transparent. So it's not going to be very good for putting on your website and things like that. So you pretty much end up having to pay for it if you really want to use it. So they offer a one-time checkout, $19.99. You get the max resolution, 5,000 by 5,000. You do get PNG with the transparent background, lifetime support, and it's ready for print. And you can print on all different kinds of things as they show there. And you can continue to edit and re-download it, which is nice. However, if you go for the next option up, $39.99, most of the options are still the same, except you can get the vector PDF and SVG file, which means that if you need to resize it and you want to resize it without losing any quality, it helps to have the vector file. And you have the right to register it as a copyrighted logo if you want to. With this option, I guess you could not do that. So, give it a try and see what you think. I think that it is a nice, simple way to get a logo that does not take a lot of effort, does not cost a lot of money. I know I've paid much more than that for other logos that I've designed, or I've had designed. And so I think it could be beneficial to anyone who owns a business. So again, this has been Gary D. Tonicourt from morethanasnapshot.com.